everyone, welcome to Vibrant Learning. How are you? I hope you all are doing good. So without wasting time, let's start our today's video. In today's video, we shall learn about letter Y. Do you know that letter Y is a tricky letter? And letter Y is known as a trickster in English language. But why? Because letter Y can make up 4 different sounds. And letter Y is a consonant as well as vowel also. Do you want to know which 4 different sounds can letter Y make? For that, watch the video till end, and if you really like the video, please subscribe my channel and like the video. So let's start the video. 4 sounds of letter Y. First sound, letter Y makes consonant Y sound. Second sound, letter Y makes long I sound. Third sound, letter Y makes long E sound. And fourth sound, letter Y makes short I sound. First sound of letter Y, this is the sound that we are all familiar with. Y, y, y as in yellow, y as in yacht, y as in yak, y as in yesterday. And in this case, letter Y is consonant. So, Y is a consonant when it begins a word. Now, second sound of letter Y. Y makes long I sound. Let's look at these words. Cry, dry, my, shy. Here you are hearing a long I sound at the end of a word. And if you have noticed, these all are small words and single syllable word. So here we consider a Y as a vowel. So Y makes a long I sound at the end of a short words and single syllable words. So here Y consider as a vowel as Y gives us a long I sound at the end of a word. Third sound of letter Y. Y makes long E sound. Let's hear this word. Baby, happy, very, fluffy. As you have noticed, these words are a bit longer and they have more than one syllable. So, usually if Y is at the end of a multi-syllable word, Y makes a long E sound. And in this case, we consider letter Y as a vowel. Fourth sound of letter Y. Y makes short I sound. Let's look at this word. Mystery, symbol, gypsy. Here, in this word, you can see Y is between the letter and Y gives a short I sound. Mystery, E, symbol, E, gypsy, G. So here Y makes a short I sound in the middle of a word or syllable. In this case, we consider Y as a vowel. Quick recap. Letter Y has 4 sounds. It can be a consonant or a vowel also. First sound is U. When Y is at the beginning of a word, it generally gives us a consonant sound as a Y. Sky. When Y is at the end of a word in a short words or single syllable word, it gives us a long I sound as a sky. Sunny. When Y is at the end of the word in a big words or multi-syllable words, Y sound is a long E. Gypsum. In a gypsum, Y is in between a word in a multi-syllable word. Letter Y gives us a short I sound. I hope you understand the concept clearly. Thank you for watching.